Okay, hi y'all. So by the title of this video, y'all already see what I'm going to go do today. So yes, I'm going to go get a yoni steam. This will be my first time ever getting a yoni steam, so I'm super excited. But before we jump into this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, y'all, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, content coming all 2023. We stepping it up, not playing. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe and come join the fam, girl. But yeah, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Satima. And yeah, beauty, so I'm going to go get a yoni steam. I'm super excited. Right now I'm about 33 minutes away. So we're about to just get ready to head out. There was supposed to be like a group of us going, but a few of the girls couldn't make it, so it's actually only going to be like 2 of us or whatever, which is going to be cool. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys once I get there.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love.
You talking about turn yours up, girl? Mine is steaming.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like mine steamy.
Like the clit is burning.
Are we for real?
A little.
I mean, you can turn it down.
Really? But no, I'm gonna let it do what it do.
Never fall out of love with you.
So I just finished the yoni steam and it was such a vibe, y'all. I enjoyed it so much, y'all. Such a vibe. And I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel super refreshed. Hopefully, can you go? Okay, you good? Okay. Oh, I gotta go. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, y'all. But anyways, like I was saying, the yoni steam was it was really good. It was different. It was something new, which I'm all about trying new things I've never done before. Would I do it again? Yes, for sure. I definitely would do it again because, y'all, I feel so good. Like, I do. I don't know how to explain it, but I definitely feel like refreshed, I would say, for sure. But I'm gonna tell y'all some of the benefits, because I was like researching it yesterday and I seen some of the benefits, so I'm gonna just share with y'all. So the benefits from a yoni steam, they say it balances your hormones, reduce menstrual discomfort, regulate your menstrual cycle, correct absent menstruation periods, strengthen and tightens and tones the vaginal walls, prevents chronic yeast and vaginal infections, treat hemorrhoids, reduce vaginal dryness, treat symptoms of menopause, treat postpartum conditions, boost low libido, maintain healthy odor, align and heal post-birth, release emotional pain, trauma, and negative energy trapped in the sacral and root chakras, detox entire body through womb. So it's definitely a lot of benefits that they say come from a yoni steam, and we're gonna see those benefits. They also say, like, you know, when you're intimate with your partner, that you definitely can, you know, feel it. So I guess I'll see you tonight, or whatever. But yeah, definitely give it I'm also tag the location where we went. She was super nice. She was the sweetest thing ever. We also were able to enjoy a glass of champagne while we were there. It was definitely a vibe, y'all. 10 out of 10 for sure, for sure. But now, y'all, I just left and now I gotta go get some gas. So yeah, now I'm just getting some gas because I'm kind of low. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I definitely would recommend going to get one for sure. Try it out. If I experience anything after, or like any side effects or anything that's like not positive, I'll definitely let you guys know. But so far it was definitely a great experience. Like, she gave us some little snacks to enjoy while we were there. I loved it. Such a vibe. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, beauties.